Hello, and today in Model Corner we're looking at another Gemini jet, with this time being the Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321neo in 1/200 scale. As you can see, this is part of their Gemini 200 series and comes in a very nice sturdy presentation box, which we will now look at. As you can see on the front it has Jet2, Airbus A321neo, so the brand and then the plane it is. Got an image of the plane featured inside, you can see all its details. And then we can just look at the other side, again got the image, Gemini name, scale. On the back, we have some info about what Gemini jets are. Now, turning back to the front, you can see it says it's got a lid. Just hold down the little magnet, you can just pop open. And inside, we have foam, keeping the plane nice and secure. See at the top here, we've got 3 parts that will build the stand for the plane. So if we just take those out, put them to the side, and we'll move back to that in a sec. And there you have it, the plane sat nicely in its box, very secure. And we can just take that out now and have a look at it. Now, again, we want to be delicate with this, as it has some small details. It's in very high detail that you don't want to break, such as its landing gear, or on the top you see those little things at the top. Be careful not to knock those off. Okay. Let's take off the plastic. And here we have it, the Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321neo in 1/200 scale. You see we've got a nice big Jet2 Holidays logo and livery. You can see all the detail across it. Package holidays you can trust. On the engines we've got Jet2 Holidays and its tagline. A registration of GSUNB. A very nice sun on the tail. If you look very closely at the landing gear, if we get it to focus, we've got little details on there. Tons of little details everywhere. Again, under the wing, GSUNB, little Gemini Jets logo. Tons of details on the jet's engines. You can see there's little markings right in the jet there. Let's turn it around. I can show you the other side. Once again, you can see we've got a registration, package holidays you can trust, Jet2 Holidays written on the fuselage. Now, if we look at the wings themselves, you can see tons of details. You've got all the flaps, ailerons. We have the sharklets, or blended wingtips for this. We have the elevators and the rudders on the stabilizers. Just overall, it's a highly, highly detailed plane with the Jet2 logo and livery all over it. Now, this model has a wingspan of about 17.9 centimeters, so good length, well, wingspan, and it's about 22.5 centimeters long, so it has a nice length to it too. It comes with a display stand, which I will now put together. So as you can see, it is a Jet2 plane, which typically a plane you take on your holidays. So I'm sure you've probably seen one flying around. So again, stand is in 3 parts. Very simply, just put the part 1, part 2, stand is put together. Now let's take the plane. Let's move the box out of the way. Now, as you can see on the plane, got a little hole here. Just take your stand, just give it a little push, just give it a little bit of a rotate. And then once again, you'll feel it go in, and then you can just place it down. Make sure it's balanced, you don't want it to fall. And there you have it, the Gemini 200 Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321neo in 1/200 scale. Now let's turn it around slowly on its stand so you can see. It's looking very, very nice. And once again, it comes packaged in this presentation box right here. And let's angle up so you can see the whole box. And this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.